In this video, we're testing 3 different slugs at ranges. Remember though that they're going off the 27 grain ballistic settings and tune, so the other 2 aren't shooting, well, I don't think they're shooting the fine tune. Right, the new TMU target has finally turned up. Pretty, well, it's not pretty, it's very good quality actually. It's solid, like even the bars all solid, all threaded, even the clips. It's pretty decent. The drone setup. First target is 100 yards, second target 150 yards. I'll just do 5 shots of each before the weather goes bad again. And then I'll move the target out to 200. I'll put another plate next to it so I can get a rough hold over for it for the 33s and 34s, because I haven't got a clue where they're going to hit at 200 yards. And if I mess around trying to find out where I'm hitting before doing a group, and the plate's just going to be a mess. So yeah, 33 grain precision slugs and 34 grain HP2 slugs, both from H&M. And I might even do the 27s as like a guide with the wind, see how much difference of drift and all that there is. Okay, I need to put the phone in the drone. Right, so drone's up there. Let's try and do as quick as I can. Right, 100 yards. Right, 33 grain. Precision slugs. Fell black center dot. This is 27 grain ballistic settings, and then I'm just sending 33 grain through it. Right, 943. 943. 940. 942. 941. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Switch to. Should I just keep the weight the same? Right, so let's go to right. Average 942, spread 3, average BC 0.125. Right. Standard deviation 1.17. Right, so clear. Projectile weight increase 34. Save. Power on. Okay. Right. 34 grain slugs now. $9.35. 9.36. 9.29. 9.31. 9.39. Sure, that went to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right. Quickly. Should I change it? Oh, right. Right. So, average 934. Standard deviation 3.58. Average BC 0.111. Oh, hang on. I didn't clear from before. showing 10 shots. Never mind. It was pretty. I got the few seconds pretty consistent anyway. Come on, 27. I shouldn't really do 27. Right. Right, 27s. We'll go. Well, I should hit the dot anyway. With a little black dot. 1, 10, 10. 2, 10, 06. 3, 10, 10. Oh, what was that? Oh shit, I'm on range. This counts as a range out. That was 10, 10 anyway. Ten or 8. $10.04. It was a bit low today. Right, 150. Send the drone out first. Okay, send this drone out. I'm not gonna bother Crony in now. Oh no, I didn't even press record. Ah, it's 150 as well. Right, press and record now so don't forget. Okay, right. I'll tell you what, because we're on 27s, might as well start off with 27s. Just aim center. 1, so it's 10, 11. 2. Oh, it's a bit lower because of the few seconds. 10, 11 again. 3, 10, 10. Yeah, a few seconds, a little bit low today. Last one. So wobbling. Right, yeah, a few seconds, a little bit low. Right. What are these? 34s. So 34s next for the middle. Right. If I hold 4M away. Actually, I'm going to hold 4.5 on that black dot. Four and a half, black dot. How many is that? Should have 2 left in. No, one more shot. So 4.5. Is that black dot? Fuck's Sun's shining on, I can't see shit. Oh, there it is. Does that go over? That went over. Let's try that again. 4.5. Black dot. Okay. Right. 33 grain. If I do the same hold, right, let's see if I can, right, if I put 4.5, so it'll be hit there. So if I change it back, right, I'm gonna have to range again as well. Right, so change it back to white. Now if I put 5.5 on the red circle of the target, so 6 is on the bottom of the target. Right, 1. Oh, what am I on about? That is 7. 8's on the bottom of the target. Oh, fuck's sake, it's going over this, so I was 1.5 in, right. Right, let's do this again. I'm going to put 4.5. Right, I'm going to put 6 on the actual center of the target then. The black sticky target. Right, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, okay, we'll bring this drone back before it dies. Okay. And then reload. And then out 200 yards. Right. So 100 yards. Okay. Bend that back a little bit. Right, so 100 yards. Well, 34 grain apart from that one. That's impressive. It's 27s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 33s. To be honest with you, all of them. Yeah, Parker. Why is that ripped for? Don't know. Bit weird. Anyway, yeah, all very, very good. Right, let's go to 150. Right, so 150 yards. I think this was 27s. So it weren't low. Well, not that much low anyway. One went low. That's the one I think I've seen. But again, yeah. Well, M34s have got potential. If that's it, if that is the 34s, the 33s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it's 2 there, 1 there. M34s look pretty impressive. Right, let's back it out 200. So I'll take a little video. Yeah, so I was trying to get this video done as quickly as possible. Back we go. Before it got dark. Right, so I have missed out a few things that I've noticed since editing now. So it is what it is. Right, send the drone down there. I'm gonna get a few shots down there. Reaching in. Let's go for 5 MOA center plate. Right, I think that was the bottom of it. So, not 5 MOA, 6 MOA. the top. Oh, that was over, I think. Let's try that again. I think I moved it maybe a little bit too much. Keep the same on. Fuck, I knew this would happen. Right. Let's go 5 in the center. Right, let's just do that. I got it on the drone anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so quickly switch over to 34s. Got a feeling these are going to be more like the 6. So if I put 8 on the black target lower, 1, yeah, pretty much on the 6, I think. So 2.
I also want you to pay attention
3.
to the leaves and the trees in the background.
4. 5. Well, that's decent. That looks good. Right, let's try. Let's go bottom target. Right, 1.
Look at the leaves in the background.
2.
The wind is starting to gust.
3. Wow, that was low.
Right, I'm shooting the bottom plate because I've shot the right hand plate, but I've hit the left edge of it, and then the next shot hit low, I think it was, and then the other one missed. So I'm shooting the bottom plate to get an idea, to have a better group on the actual plate.
Right.
I hadn't realised by this point how much the wind had picked up. I just thought it was hitting a bit low.
I'm gonna hold. On the middle plate, top right, to hit the right plate. Right, 1. 2.
Right, so this group actually did hit the top right of the plate. And
3.
then the last shot missed. It's like just went off the
4.
right side of the plate. Obviously, after watching the videos back,
Oh, it's right in the
whilst
center.
editing this video.
Oh, I went and recorded on the GoPro. I wasn't even recording on the GoPro. I'm just going to put 2 more in, just so I can see where I was actually hitting. Throw it in there.
Right, so that's top center of the plate. That's
Okay.
just below top centre, so the group must be on the far
Sure.
right.
Like the wind has picked up a little bit now. But still, I reckon. I don't think it would have made. I don't know. We'll have a look now, but definitely 100% the wind picked up. Right, so the wind's actually calmed down now. I've got down here, but it's a shame I couldn't record it. The drone when I brought it back. But yeah. So the 33s on the other 34. 34s are decent, like really good. I think everyone hit the plate as well. 33s. Not really impressed with the slug now. Precision slug. Even when you hit birds with them, they don't do as much damage as you would hope. 27s though. Obviously, the wind did pick up. I did struggle to actually hit the plate at the start, but so I shot the bottom target. I'm not even sure. I don't even know where I actually. I have to check the drone. I did shoot it a few times a plate, and then I came back over to this target. There's a group in, so I don't know, but I was aiming here to hit there, so you can see but they're a lot like a slug. I sort of know the limitations with the 27s and the wind. I do try and keep under 100 yards when it comes to shooting, but that's just to show you the difference with the wind holds. Because then saying that, there was a lot less wind, but I guarantee you that even if I shot that group now, well, I can't say guarantee you, but that's a lot more of a wind hold, you know. Right. So 100 yards, 34s, 33s, 27s. They're all 1.25 inches, apart from obviously that one that's gone off, but they're all 1.25 inch groups. All right, 150 yards. Right, so 27s. Center to center. It's two. Right, so center to center, 2.25 inches. 150. 3 inches for the 33s, and center to center for 34s. Widest point, 1.75 inches. That's 2. Right, so 2 inches center on the 34s, 150. Flip the plates around. Right, so on 33 grain, well, that's like 5.5. Well, 6. That's 6 inches, see? But there's one at the top, so if we discard, right, we'll go for this way, so that's 4 inch. Or if we go that way, we've got 5.5 inches. Or if we go that way, we've got 6. So 4 inch, call it, even if you give it a benefit of the doubt. The 34, so as long as I haven't missed something out, and there is 4 there and 1 there, that group is 1.75 inches. So that's actually tighter than, that's actually tighter than the 150. When it came to the 27s, I'll be honest with you, I haven't got a clue what the actual group is. But if I was aiming on the other plate, hitting it, obviously the wind picked up, as I said, like a lot. But I was hoping, that's why I was shooting fast. we're trying to get it done fast, sorry, only 5. I was hoping to have the exact same conditions or close to, because if you look at the center of the plate where I was aiming, pretty much hit the center with the 33s, tiny bit off to the right, but by the time I've connected fill up for the 27s, the wind had picked up. So if I remember, I was aiming quite far off and then hit this side. So you're talking like a 2.5 inch. No, it's just under. Well, we'll go from there to there. Right, that's like 3.25 inch. So that's what I mean about the 27s having a lighter slug, being obviously pushed a lot more by the wind. But I should have really done another 5-shot group with the 34s. But I didn't want to mess the plate up too much. So I'm happy with the results anyway. I got to see what the 33s and the 34s done. Them 34s, I think, if put the speed up to about 1,000 feet per second, I think they might be lethal. Like. And they hit, even at 9, what were they doing? 9:39. 33s were doing 9:45 or something like that, was it? But the 34s, they hit pretty hard. Well, there's a bucket full of birds, but yeah, they hit pretty hard. So yeah, the 27s and stuff under 100 yards or even like 150, they're good. They are good. You know, that's it's a dead bird, isn't it, all day long. So, and you can see at 150 the wind was like pretty good. Even at 100 it was really good wind. Everything was flying pretty straight. Oh, that's 200. Everything was flying pretty straight. 100 yards even, everything was flying pretty straight. If anything, the 34 was just shooting slightly to the left. They've done it on this plate as well. Slightly to the left, unless I was aiming off. And then so I reckon we've had pretty good wind on the 200 for the 33s. And then it started picking up on the 34s. Because if that's gone slightly to the left as well, the 150, 100's gone slightly to the left. Oh no, that was the 33s, that's the 34s. Oh, I don't know. Maybe on the 34s it started slightly drifting. And then obviously by the time I filled up and stuff, it's pushed for the 27s. Not to worry anyway. Yeah, it wasn't a bad test. M34s are good though. Oh, and one more thing as well. On the 33s, when I've been hitting with the 33s, even the low shots where I normally disable birds with the 27s, 25s and all that, the 33s, they're not, I don't see them so much as a hunting or pest control slug as like the 34s, the 27s, 25s. But yeah.